Kids Learning English. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for Justy. J for Justy. K for kids. K for kids. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for natural. N for natural. O for orange. O for orange. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.